speaking out because I want my voice to be heard. See, everyone expects me to come up here and do a little spoken word. But spoken word like hip-hop is dead. And unless it is rejuvenated, when you leave here, you're going to forget every word I done said. See, I speak my mind because I'm in search of attention and I can admit it. I hope you're in search of attention so you can get it. That's what I'm saying. Jobless parents, keep on praying. Help is on the way. God told me the only thing in store was a brighter day. But until that brighter day comes, I'm going to take custody of my people and let adults know that us kids are more than not being deceitful. We are on our own out here, and it's not looking good. It's not looking good when the poor kid is reduced to wearing the hoodie that justifies the hood. Well, not to justify, so let me rectify what I just said. The hoodie that is worn is not worn because I'm being rebellious, but simply because I don't know how to change. See, my parents, the streets, told me to forget manners and remember street names. I was told that my mom was East 105, known as hustlers just trying to get by. And my dad St. Clair or Superior, but hell, I don't know the guy. So you tell me what I'm supposed to do, and I'm told my mom ain't and never will be 105. I'm protecting. Y'all just gonna have to kill me. This is what goes through the mind of a teenager repping a hood. He feels standing up for your parents has got to be good. No one told him it was wrong when it's too late to rectify me, the hood. I'm speaking for the gay kid who can't go home because his father don't condone what the church and told him was wrong. These hypocrites, they just won't quit. They want to recreate what can't be recreated. The creator above, he damn sure can't be imitated. They want to tell you take a sip of Jesus juice, but I don't want any. I'm a free man. Keep your noose. I didn't want your help yesterday and I don't want it today. Sprite didn't sign me to a contract, so please don't expect me to obey. See, he can walk around like everything's okay. Blackened eyes from the beatings he receives every day. Hung with the wrong crew, poked his hip out, snapped his fingers, told hypocrites, not what you got to say. Just like we thought. Gay as can be. He told him, at least when I look in the mirror, I don't see God, hypocrite. I see me. I'm speaking for the girl who can't catch a break, but fish she can catch and all she can feel is hate. Her boyfriend swears he loves her at night, but in the morning the sex is over and all they can do is fight. But she loves him, she say. And that's only because love she hasn't received. So anything her so-called loved one says, it is supposed to be believed. But she can't help it and we can't help her. We must sit back and see what's next to occur. She put on those sunglasses to disguise the beatings received from him. But brighter days won't come unless she goes out and retrieves them. I'm speaking for them because if he had a mom and dad from day one, he would know that green doesn't mean stop. Red doesn't mean go. He would know manners and that yellow does indeed mean slow. I'm speaking for them because if he had a support system, he would know that being gay doesn't mean HIV is next to come. He would know that makeup, high heels, and lip gloss is just dumb. She would know that she's beautiful and nobody can tell her different. And she don't have to settle for that guy. And love coming out of his mouth is a plain old lie. I'm speaking for them because nobody else will take a stand and know it's not for attention but help is in demand. They want to feel like State Farm is behind them so they know they're in good hands. See, this is not nothing new. This is the same struggle. The creator isn't being described. I'm not holding the Bible and this ain't Genesis. My back doesn't say 23. You're not in court, but you all are witnesses. I don't know how or when it will happen. I just hope some light is shed because there is no reason to why our generation, like hip-hop and spoken word, is dead.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
He's coming to ask now, what about the Wheels of Steel representing? So these are what a good round of applause now. What about